Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from Outre, and this one is brought to you by divatress.com. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Outre, and this one is brought to you by divatress.com. So if you want to learn more on how you can purchase this unit on divatress.com, please be sure to wait towards the end of this video so that you can get more information. But before I get into my thoughts on this unit, let's get into the specs. Now this unit is from Outre, and this unit's name is called Honor. And I have her in the color 1B/rich burgundy, and the length of this unit is 24 inches. Now this is what the stock card looks like. The model is rocking the exact same color that's in the middle, and that gorgeous purple and that gray and black right there as well on the stock card. So this particular unit, it does come in some fun colors, and I love that it has this purple and this red. The reason why I got it, because on the website it looked a slightly different, not that much, but it was looking more of like a pinkish reddish color. So that's the reason why I got it. But in person, as you all can tell, it's nice. It's a really rich burgundy color, which isn't bad either, so I'm not complaining. But I thought it was getting something a little bit different, but that's okay. But in terms of the internals of this cap, it does come with 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back, with adjustable straps. And it also has an adjustable band as well. Well, just a band is not adjustable, but it is quite comfortable and I use it. Now it does keep the wig nice and snug on the head, so it's not uncomfortable, but I know it's not going to go anywhere, which is really good, and it's great for a glueless install. This unit isn't a frontal unit, it's just a middle part unit, so it's just this middle part style, and this is what the middle part looks like. I did add a little bit of the powder to the parting space, and I've also added on the inside of the cap, I sprayed some lace tint spray on the lace as well, so we could get that extra oomph when I get that there. And of course, I did use my hot comb to get the parting space nice and flat, so the wig could lay nice and flat on top. Now, as far as my thoughts on this unit, it is quite easy. It's not really a completely throw on and go wig, but it wouldn't take you more than 7 minutes to get on and go to your liking. It wouldn't be that long, and it's not intimidating, so don't get intimidated by it. It's quite easy. It's great for beginners. I think it's really good in terms of that, in terms of install and all that good stuff. It's quite easy, so I won't really get too scared with this unit. But this unit, it does come in several other colors. It comes in like a blue, this burgundy, bright blonde, purple, as you all saw in the front, gorgeous purple, and of course that gray color as well. So those are the special colors that they do have with this unit. Now, in terms of divatress.com, when you are clicking through the colors, please be sure to make sure that it's not a price change, because when you do click on it, say like if you want this particular color, it is an additional fee. So please be sure to go ahead and pay attention to that price change when you are clicking through on divatress.com. And when you're looking through those colors, please pay attention to the price changes. It is about $2 to $4 more for the color, but there is colors 1 and 1B available for you to purchase as well, so you could go ahead and purchase those flat colors, which aren't an additional fee. But in my thoughts, so far I do like it. It's not bad. I kind of wish I got the purple, to be honest, because the purple is vibrant and punchy, but nevertheless it is a cute wig. It's very easy to throw on and go and style. It wouldn't take that long to get it to your liking. So if you have any thoughts or any comments, please make sure to leave it down below. I will also leave a direct link to this unit in the description and as well as in the pinned comments, so you all can go ahead and purchase that unit. Thank you so much, Divatress, for allowing me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.